Hello. So continue from where we stopped last time. Let's try to look at some of the elements we talked about. So first, we are going to pick few elements and implement it on our website. So we are going to continue using the old website we started with. So we are going to be upgrading it and be using the elements so that you see how it is being used. So the first thing we are going to do, we go to our body tag, inside our body tag, because that is where we put everything that we want the people to see. So the first tag we would like to put is the header and footer. So header and footer, like I explained, is like twins. So the header gives you the title and what the page is talking about in a nutshell. So we put the headers. So you put the header, and then we can put the footer. So inside the header, we want to give the title of the website. So the title of the website is Orames Academy, and it is a free tutorial. So we give first div. So inside the div, we use h1, which is the highest title of the header. So we call it Oramex Academy. And the second h2 will say learn programming for free. So this is our header. After the header, we'll have the body. So we put the body tag, open and close. Inside the body is going to contain the whole topic about the website. So we create the first div, which will have a paragraph, and the paragraph will be whatever about what we are doing. So I'll close the paragraph tag and then close the div tag. So let's remove our hello world. So 6. Now in the footer, we can add whatever we want. It can be in paragraphs or in div, whatever you want, how you want it. So let's repeat our div into 3. I'll just copy and paste into 3. So in div 2, um, div 2. So in div 2, we'll select the first letter. We'll make it strong, so that we'll see how strong affects. and then we close it. So div 1, we are going to make it bold. The first. So if we save it, go to our website and refresh, you will see that it has changed. So the title, which is Oramex Academy, is showing boldly. Learning programming. I'm div 1, you can see I'm div 2. So let's say we want in div 3, instead of going till the end, to go to the next line, somewhere in the middle. So we go to our website. This is div 3. I am div 3. So after this, I am div 3. We want every other thing to go to the next line. So we put BR, and then you save it. Then you refresh. You see that it moves to the next line. So this is how Elements works. So these are few elements. In the next video, we are going to install a IDE called Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. So that is what we are going to continue with. We are not going to continue with this because Visual Studio Code have a lot of advantages, and that is what many programmers use. So we are going to continue with Visual Studio Code, and after that we are going to look into more of some of the elements that we have talked about. We add more elements and see how it looks, and then from there we'll do more. So